Hello traders, welcome back to my 5k to 6 figures Wonder Challenge. This is episode 5, where I'm documenting my real and raw journey from scaling from the 5k prop firm account all the way to 6 figures. So after last week's rough streak of the phase 2, this week was about damage control, staying sharp and trying to stabilize. Let's take a look at how it all played out. So this was the first trade that I took on Monday. Right after my entry, the price went down pretty smoothly into my usual 2-hour profit target, but then I was still stubborn. I was targeting 4-hour, a bigger target instead of my usual 2-hour. So I've ended up, the price pulled back and stopped me out at around 1.4-hour profit instead of taking the full 2-hour TP. Second trade of Monday, I pulled the trigger right after this bearish engulfing candle with a solid body close, and right after my entry, price linger a bit before stopping me out at a full stop loss. To be honest, I try to only take 2 trades per day, but then this was the third trade of Monday because I wasn't feeling satisfied after one small win and a full stop loss. So I decided to get another attempt, which was unnecessary. Even though I managed to control the risk and this trade ended up getting a small loss instead of a full stop loss, but I did broke my rule. So this is something that I should be reviewing and learn and really put in the work to make the disciplined actions. On Tuesday, I have taken 2 trades, and for this first trade, after my entry, the price straight away hit my stop loss with a candle wick, and it flipped bullish, which was quite unfortunate. So I decided to enter the trade again, which was kind of a re-entry from the previous trade. And this trade once peaked at floating profit around 1.7R before coming back, and it stopped me out at break-even. Moving on to Wednesday, it was somewhat similar to Tuesday. I have taken 2 trades, one break-even and one stop loss. For this first trade, it was a break-even trade. The price once came to my floating profit around 1.6R. It retraced and stopped me out at break-even. For the second trade, after my entry, price was lingering at my drawdown area, and eventually it stopped me out at a full stop loss. Coming to Thursday, which was the day that I decided to tweak my approach a bit to aim for a smaller target of 1.5R instead of a 2R profit. This was based on my multiple break-even trades previously that hit around more than 1.5R but didn't manage to reach out the 2R profit target. and eventually this trade hit my TP, and I decided to call it a day and also a week because Friday was a holiday. So coming back to my account dashboard, I have taken 8 trades in total for this week 5, being Monday a small win, a full loss and a small loss. Tuesday 1 loss and 1 break even. The same goes to Wednesday. And Thursday there was 1 solid win. So I have taken 2 winner trades, 4 losers, and also 2 break even. And the overall result was slight loss but stabilized, and my phase 2 is still sitting at around negative 5%, and I am still in the game to keep the drawdown under manage and control. So this week was about weathering the storm. I try not to force anything, avoided tilt to stay within my limits. So after 7 losing trades last week, this was about regaining control, and I believe I did that, except for Monday. Sometimes progress is just to survive another week without blowing the account, and I will take it as an experience. If you are enjoying the journey and want to keep following the real-time grind to 6-figure funding, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and don't forget the bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.